Okay, I'm checking out, but just to let you know, I didn't do housekeeping, so they actually gave me one pack of goodies, which is the towels and even new set of pajamas. So this is the room before I check out. I came in late, so I didn't take a video. So this is how it looks like. It's pretty small, I mean the hallway. When you came in, I actually smelled some kind of musky smell, but over 2 nights, I felt it's okay. I don't feel that kind of musky smell anymore. And the mattress is pretty firm. I kind of like the feeling of this mattress. So there's one pajamas. You don't need to bring your pajamas, no need to waste any space. There's actually a hair dryer and a kettle, and there's an alarm clock here, but don't worry, it's not set. If this alarm on, the alarm will have a symbol here. And this is a blackout curtain. You could see that in the morning actually the sunlight can seep through, can actually seep through here. But it's all good. Aircon here, pretty clean. And is that a fridge here? I didn't notice. Oh yeah, there's a fridge here. I didn't notice actually. So this is the washroom. Oh, I love, actually, seriously, I love the shampoo and conditioner. It's really nice. What is that? Oh, hand and face soap. I actually missed that out. But it's very good quality.